that, dude? Alright, so check this out. You can't see us right now, but, did you hear that? Get the phone in your fucking eyes, guy. Ooh, that's not the same sound. Let's see if it does it again. What's funny is I only have like a knife that's got an 1.5-inch blade on it. And it is out right now. Ian has a stick.
Get out of here. I'm just using it to prop myself up on. I'm not scared.
Do it one more time. It's probably just somebody fucking with us.
Can you make that noise?
I'm sure if I practice I could.
Over and over and over without like squeaking or...
What the hell makes it sound like that, dude?
I think it's an owl.
I think it's a mule deer, dude. Do they have mule deer around here? Some sort of deer, I think.
Mule deer are out west.
Maybe a goat?
What?
Badger?
Bah. A badger? Like, if I saw a badger come up to me and did that, I'd be like, ah!
Dude! Woggle woggle. Woogle woogle.
Get the video running.